What's up guys, Tobin here, 5M Family Homestead channel. Today we're getting some chores done. We had a cold front blow in last night, had some thunderstorms. The ground's dried out finally, and it soaked up pretty quick. So I took a day off of work. I needed to sleep in and rest a little bit. I've been working a lot of hours, a lot of crazy hours at work, and so we're up and moving now, and we're gonna knock some chores out. So on our last video, we talked about getting a pig. Today we're building a pig pen. Let's turn around here and show you what we got. So guys, we got the area behind the shed here cleaned out pretty good. That deep freeze right there I use for taxidermy stuff. It's not plugged in. We put some, it's a long story, but that's gonna stay there. Got a chicken over here. Skylar's watching the chicken. Like I said in the other video, the pen is going to be from Skylar. It's going to come down behind the shed to this corner post and then across, and it's going to be a long rectangle. So the kids are already asking. Sarah's got Skylar. So the kids are already asking if we're going to let the pig out. We're going to. This area is directly south of our house, so obviously the south wind is going to blow the smell towards the house. So we're going to keep this area as clean as possible. We're going to put shavings down. The kids are asking if we can let the pig out in the yard. I don't know. We're new to pigs, so can we? Can we do that? Our whole yard's fenced, so it couldn't get out of the big yard. So I don't know. I guess we'll find out. Like I said in the other video, this above me right here, this whole area is very shaded. You can see the limbs hanging down. So they have plenty of shade back here. We're also talking about some kind of little shelter to keep it out of the rain if it rains. And then we're building this whole pen out of essentially free materials, leftover fencing, leftover T-posts we've had, things like that. So we're hoping to get it finished up this weekend and then get the pig soon. So we'll show y'all as we get going.
WR Jacksboro, sitting in the pole position, covering Texas and red dirt music, and the official radio station of the Texas Motor Speedway, 95.9 The Ranch.
So I think this area right here is going to be where the gate's at. If you've ever priced gates at Tractor Supply, I just bought one for the garden over there, and the smallest one that has the fencing at the bottom so something can't get through it was $99. So we're going to try to buy a couple hinges at Home Depot tomorrow and put that pallet right there as a gate. It's a nice hardwood pallet, so it should last. So if it doesn't work, then we'll be buying a $100 gate. Well guys, I'm in the house. The pig pen building got put on hold for a minute. I was driving a T-post. I'd videoed myself driving a couple of them, I think, and then I turned the camera off and was driving one, and it was a little bit taller than the other ones, and I was getting down on it pretty hard, and made the mistake that everybody who's run a T-post driver very long makes. I was actually, so I don't think it needs stitches. Shanna went to pick up one of Sarah's friends, and she's coming home, and I'll have her look at it, but I think I can just put a butterfly band-aid on it. That's my hand. And then it got inside my hat too. I mean, I had my hat on. You can see some blood in there. And this is the shirt. I'll show you the shirt I was wearing. So that's the front side of it. And that's the back side of it. I stood out there for a little while, walking towards the house, letting it drip on the ground. I mean, I guess I watched Smith Family Ranch. I'd watched their video and was telling Reed, you know, stories about people I knew that had gotten themselves with one. Told them to be real careful. And I was out there. I don't know. We drove a bunch of T-posts, and that was one of the last ones. And I smacked myself. This whole we've got a list of projects going, and every one of them seems to be cursed for one reason or another. We've had problems all the way along the way, so this doesn't surprise me at all. I was out there taking my time, just going real nice and slow, and I don't know, it rung my bell pretty good. I'm gonna get cleaned up, and it didn't knock me out, but it definitely rung my bell. So I'm gonna take a little break, and we'll get back out there here in a little bit. Guys, we're back out here at it. Got my help with me. I've been forbidden to touch a T-post driver. Shanna got me all bandaged up. Okay, but the band-aids blend in with my bald head.
So tan.
Guys, we're done with the pig pen today. Reed Man has been a big help. Very, very big help. Mom's been a big help too. She's kind of cute. Thankful to have their help. So this is what we got. And then around on this side, I'm gonna get some gate hinges tomorrow, and I'm gonna put them on this side of this pallet, and then we're gonna attach it to this post right here. Hoping that'll work for a gate for now. But all in all, turned out pretty good. Hopefully that's strong enough to hold a pig. But this is strictly a feeder pig. This is not a pet. I mean, if the kids want to have it as a temporary pet, it will be, but its ultimate goal is going to be to feed our family, like Reed just said. Yep. So Reed knows what's up. So
Feed our family.
Yep. So
Bacon.
one of the other projects we're working on around here is we are widening our driveway. We had some gravel delivered yesterday, and I spread it out. I'll show y'all a video now of it getting delivered.
Oh gosh. It's a lot of freaking grass. Oh gosh.
These high centered. Does that thing have 6-wheel drive? That's all.
So last night I meant to video while we were spreading it out, and never got around to it. But Reed now is just driving back and forth trying to compact this gravel. That gravel is like it's like a creek gravel, and it doesn't compact as much as I'd hoped it would. So we're gonna have to spend some time driving on it before we can really park our camper here. In case y'all are wondering, he's 10 years old, and he can back a trailer up by himself, and he can run a tractor. He's getting pretty good at it. That's my cousin's tractor we borrowed for a few weeks to get some chores done. We widened this fence. This fence was over this way, and we moved it all the way over so we have room. Our camper currently is over here, and if it rains we can't get to it, so we're gonna move it over here. That way we can plug it in and we can get to it when it rains. Guys, thank y'all for following along with this. If y'all are running a T-post driver, be careful. I'm happy I had my hat on and it hit my hat. I really think if I hadn't had my hat on, it would have been a lot worse. I think it'd have peeled my skin down on against my scalp, and it'd probably been for sure where I needed. I probably could use a stitch or two now, but we're just gonna see what happens. I don't think it's still, my Band-Aid's holding pretty good, but it could have been a lot worse. So I can't tell you how many. I worked for a fencing company in high school. I've drove thousands of T-posts, and that has never happened to me, not one time. And I just got out there, and I honestly I wasn't in any hurry or anything. I just I don't know. I don't know what happened. I just kind of lost focus for a minute, and it got me. So y'all be careful. Next time y'all see us, hopefully we'll be loading a pig back there in that pen, and we're gonna go down that journey. So y'all leave us your comments, let us know anything we need to do with pigs. We're brand new to it, like we said before. So but with everything that's going on with the in the world today, we figure the more ways we had to feed ourselves, the better right now. So we're gonna go down that on that adventure. So thank y'all for watching. Leave a comment if you haven't already. Please subscribe. We'll see y'all again.